hope it's not too windy to hear me. This city on there is Pollenca. I really like it. It's beautiful, it's quiet, relatively big, a lot of fine restaurants, even Michelin restaurants. Lots of people, but very quiet. No partying, a lot of families, nice beach, and look at this, the mountains. 2 years ago, no, 3 years ago actually. God, it was 4 years ago. I was in Alcudia, which is over there. To be honest, not the best place, but there were 2 mountain tops there, which were the only one in normal distance from Alcudia, so I walked both of them. And when I was there, I looked down in this bay and I see where this is lying, at the foot of this mountain chain, north of Mallorca. This goes all the way to Palma, and I thought, next time, this is where I'm going. We came here on Friday, today it's Thursday. No, it's Friday, we did for 1 week. And this was a good choice. Nice tennis ranges. Actually, really cheap tennis ranges. €6 for 1 hour. It's run by the county, so I guess that's the reason. A lot of mountains, nice mountains. It's pretty hot. It's warm now. It's between 33 and 35 degrees been these days. Yesterday was a bit cool and windy, but today it was like to be over 35. I walked. There's a road going up here. There. I started walking the road and then I crossed over the mountain here, but it's hard. There's no tracks there. You have to look far ahead. See if you can find a passage. Some mistakes, but not too heavy. But in this heat, it's, well, you're not too happy when you do it. 3 days ago, me and my son was running over the mountain into that bay there. It was beautiful for snorkeling. So I brought the rest of my family yesterday, but it was too windy, so snorkeling was absolutely impossible to do. So that was a bit sad. My daughter really loves the snorkeling thing, so. But we had a boat trip today with some snorkeling, but it was, yeah. I'm never going in a big boat any other days because it was like snorkeling in the swimming pool. There was so much people there. It's, no. Next time we have a small boat. We did that last year in Sardinia and it was absolutely beautiful. Just me and another family we traveled with. Big boats, no. I was thinking of climbing up there, but I'm pretty worn out after this trip, so I don't take my chances. I do some risk management, I guess. I saw this American posting a video on YouTube of some cliff diver. He was visiting this place. He made it sound like this was the achievement of his life. He worked out to find a way out up there. Come on, guy, he drove up there. And you can drive, it's the only way up here, so you can't miss it. So, well, make me movies, but don't make it sound like you climbed Mount Everest, because you didn't. It was no problem. Take a walk, so. This is where I started to sit down here. This is Pollenca, so I walked. It took me, I don't know, what does it say? 1:35. I've been here for 10 minutes, I guess, so 1:25 minutes. It's warm. I like training in the heat. I always liked it, but it's not recommended if you're not used to it. So. fucking scary. Relatively experienced mountain guy as myself. But my God, this is spectacular. These mountains, I think you can walk. This is from the far east, northeast corner of Mallorca. You can walk these mountains all the way to back to Palma, almost to Palma. I have no idea how long it takes, but I'm guessing at least a week. I mean, it's up and down, climbing, up and down, climbing, and the rocks. Razor shops, they are tearing the shoes apart. This is brand new shoes. 2 trips, and it's completely worn out. I of course did the hard way up. I followed the road for a bit and then I walked through the terrain, but that was... It's not easy. You can walk everywhere, but it's not recommended, I have to say. I mean, only I am stupid enough to do that. Well, I tricked my wife into joining me the other day, but I think that's a one-time incident. And for those of you who bothered to see my other films, my leg is 100% perfect. Oh my God. This is scary. Oh, this is scary. Ooh. Mallorca, people, I like it. This is my third visit here. First time I was all the way in the south. It was very nice bathing, like, but it's not much for walking. It's pretty nice for biking, I think. I like to bike myself, but I also like my hiking. So up north, northeast, northwest, it's beautiful. Highly recommended. This is Cup Fermentor. It's a big lighthouse out there. I think it's 21 kilometers to go by bike. Tough climbing. 38, 39 degrees Celcium grade, so I didn't. There's the Alcudia Bay. And over there is Pollenca, where I live now for a few more days. Oh, shadow, shadow, shadow. There's something green. I have absolutely no idea what that is. I hope it's not a golf course, but judging by the color, I guess it is. Or maybe a shooting range. No, it's not. I checked that. We went earlier today on a boat trip. Quite boring, really. Snorkeling was a nice location for snorkeling, but then we went there swimming and there was some fish there who bit me. There, and once down at the ankle where I had some old scratches. And it bit my daughter twice in some old wound. It was painful. It's like a really hard wasp sting. Inside Pollenca, we haven't seen those fishes, but the water is, I guess, 4 or 5 degrees warmer, so maybe it's because of the temperature, I guess. But down here they were everywhere. My wife had no cuts, my son had no cuts, and wasn't bitten, but me and my daughter were bitten, so we stopped bathing altogether. It was really painful. It's called white sea bass, I think. Very small fish, but definitely razor sharp teeth. Don't go into the water with wounds if the water is above 24-25 degrees. That's my advice. Okay, this is supposed to be a hunting and trapping channel, so maybe I should talk about that as well. Mallorca is an island in the middle of the Mediterranean, Italy and Spain. So we don't suggest it's too much game here, but actually it is. Now wild hogs, this is not wild game, this is goat. But you do have ibex here. And I think, as far as I researched, it's some brand of ibex. It's, well, I can't tell the difference. But they call it Balerian Boc or something. But to me it looks like an ibex. The funny thing is, if my research is correct, sorry about the wind, I hope you can hear me. Maybe I do this. If my information is correct. The hunting season for the ibex is midsummer. So imagine walking upland there, for instance, completely camouflaged, 40 degrees Celcium. I don't think, no, it won't happen. The funny thing is, I saw a danger sign on the road down here, actually saying beware of the deer. I had no idea there was a deer out there. I don't have to. Come on, I didn't swim out there. I never heard about deer, but apparently it is. Of course, set them in there. So, but pigeons. I guess pigeons is the main game here. I know it's crawling with pigeons everywhere. For me, as a shotgun shooter, I would not take a trip on this heat. This heat is for hiking and swimming, period. Trapping, like, I don't know what to trap here. I don't think it's any predator except a few birds. I saw a falcon the other day and there are some vultures, but why would you trap that? Falcons are maybe the coolest birds I know. But there is hunting here, and apparently it's a good hunting. So not for me. Check it out. Google Mallorca hunting. You will see a lot of videos about it. The Balerian Boc.